This was the song I wrote, and it's called Sure as the Earth Rises. Songwriting can be anything. I mean, a song can be anything. I mean, literally anything.
Number one, never doubt yourself, keep your head.
During the final stretch of the school year, one would expect the workload to slow down, but not for these Germantown students.
The first week, our groups, we created our own original song, and then we went to a professional recording studio to record the song. And then this week, we've been working to make our music videos.
Recently, theater and film students had the opportunity to participate in a 2-week-long workshop intensive, all about music video production.
There were 3 genres: R&B, folklore, pop, and then hip-hop rap.
You think you sang it at the right part?
I did.
Students began the workshop learning how to take an idea and turn it into a song.
I enjoy songwriting. I've written a lot of songs. I've never written a song and then recorded it within even 2 days. They didn't have that luxury, so they had to make decisions, stick to them.
The students then worked with Grammy Award winner Boo Mitchell at the legendary Royal Studios.
It wasn't hard, but it was very fun.
Germantown has always had a high level of talented performers. You know, the 3 songs were very different, and they're all unique in their own way.
Because you're not going to take it from there, right? So you.
Then it was lights, camera, action. GHS students spent the second week working with local director Wahid Al-Khawazmi, learning all the different elements that make a great music video.
It's kind of like research for me. It's like just to see what these wonderful group of talented students that are like, you know, filmmakers as well, like what their ideas are and what they're coming up with.
At the end of the 2 weeks, students presented their music videos to the public during the From Dusk Till Dawn Music Video Festival. The student participants say that the 2-week workshop was an eye-opening experience into the music and film industry, and it's something they'll never forget. Reporting for WMC Action News 5, I'm Andrew Hetty.
Haha, listen up.